Alright guys, this is the cooking of the lumpia. I forgot almost. The lumpia is getting cooked. New Year's Eve. Got pancit here in the pan. Lumpia. Luscious looking American style chicken wings. I'm getting oil all over the place. Got chicken wings cooking. Got a few already. Buffalo hot. Got tapish dogs over here. And we got some ranch. We got some tortilla chips. I made banana bread today. We got a cake that we had from a couple days ago. And then there's our 12. What is that, right? Philippines tradition, 12 fruits, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't have no grapes. We didn't have no different fruits, but we got plenty of fruits, so. And hopefully we get some people coming over. I don't know, I think one of them's on his way. I'm waiting on the other ones. We got some horns here. New Year horns. We got some hats, some tiaras, lays, some stuff we had last year, some regular hats here. Happy New Year's. We got the doggies ready for New Year's. Got the table like they do in the Philippines with the food on it. We got the Filipina in there cooking. Look at that. Lumpia is looking good. Look at that. That's my baby in there. I'm so excited. She looks a little chocker right now, guys, but she's pregnant, so cut her some slack. She's actually never chocker. I'm just messing with her. But yeah, we're gonna have some honey hot barbecue wings. Maybe, I don't know. Watch the New Year's thing. I'm in a county where you're not allowed to blow fireworks off, so I don't think we're going to be doing fireworks. But next year when we get into a house out in Rutherford County or wherever we go, maybe listen to her singing. Maybe next year when we get actually in a house, we'll blow fireworks off and have a big old party. Right now we're still in an apartment, so it's kind of hard to do much. Maybe play a little cards or something tonight. Hey!
Babe,
Say hi! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Look at that belly. Show them the belly. Oh, like
I'm
this.
full. No way. Where's the water, babe?
It's out there in the patio. But anyways, you seen us last night making the lumpia. And oh yeah, we got, what's that other stuff called? That's called, what's that called again? Maha Blanca. But yeah, we're kind of excited. We're getting ready to celebrate the new year over here in Chocoland. She's struggling through, even though she's pregnant and don't feel so good. Yeah, look at them wings. They're starting to float. I'm doing the American cooking. She's doing the Philippine cooking.
I don't know what to do. A total eclipse of out, but there's an oil here. Your butt. Watch your butt, man. Ouch! Hey! Go there. Carol, go there. Not yet New Year. Go there.
Maybe they want some water.
We're gonna eat 12 a.m.
Chaka! Alright guys, we will be back later on when the festivities begin. I don't know how many festivities are going to begin, but at least when we can maybe get some people around. Anyways, just a short clip to show you the lumpia cooking and you know, chicken wings, pansit, the maha blanca. Is that what it is? Maha blanca?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never had that, so we'll see how that comes out. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Peace out.
I don't know what to do. I totally